It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now.
Welcome back, guys. So today I have this is my birthday video. Yes, it's almost Christmas and this is from days before my birthday actually, but you're seeing it on my birthday obviously. So alright, what we'll have here is some bundles from RPG here. Yeah, 4 bundles up here, and this is my birthday here. I was going for 30 inches, but I ended up with 26, but it's whatever. So initially I actually wanted loose wavy bundles, but I ended up with deep wave, and I don't mind, actually love this texture. So I have 4 bundles of that. All bundles are 26 inches. Yes, so I have that, and then I have a 24-inch lace frontal, and this is a 360 lace frontal. I love them lace frontal here when you're gonna make it. It makes your work so much easier and convenient. This is 24 inches long. It's 130% in density, and it's deep wave, but as I mentioned before, everything is of a natural color. So what am I gonna do to them? I want to bleach this. I want to bleach all the bundles. I've never really had colored curly hair before, so that had a pre for today. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how gorgeous that hair is, guys. I need some foil paper. Oh, and to actually bleach the hair, you need your basic white. So I have my Clairol basic white, which I always use most of the time when I'm going to color hair. Have 40 volume developer. Hope this is enough. I already started using some. Have a mixing bowl and my brush here. And gloves, very, very important. So let's get to it. So I'm actually going to lay out some foil paper here because I'm actually going to be using this area.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me.
I'm going to add a bit of purple conditioner in here because I really want to kind of eliminate some of that brassiness. I hate the brassiness that it gets when the hair is bleached. So I'm gonna see. I'm actually experimenting with this today. I've never actually seen it being done, so I'm gonna see how this works.
Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control.
I also have a comb here to comb through the hair. Once I'm done, why, guys? I feel like the purple is disappearing. Look at that. Where the purple? I don't know. I guess. I don't know. Let's see. I really don't know if it's going to work. So send me a try a thing.
Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go.
Guys, can you believe I'm not completely done? I'm not completely done with applying it, and it's already done. So I have to get more. So this is gonna take a lot.
now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Go.
So I'm all done with the bleaching process, and this is how the hair is looking, which I'm so pleased. I don't mind the highlighted portions, but I love the fact that it did not come out brassy. For some, like this bundle, I wish I had let it sit in the mix, in the purple conditioner a little longer. This is the purple conditioner that I use, the Shimmer Lights conditioner, because the conditioner will help to keep the hair soft, especially after bleaching it, as opposed to the shampoo. I mixed the Shimmer Lights along with regular Tresemme conditioner for maximum softness, and that's how I maintained the softness with my bundles. But this, as I said, this is the only one I wish I had let stay a little longer. So I did all 4 bundles. So I really love the turnout. As I say, I really love how some portions are more highlighted than others, and this color, when I think about it, it really reminds me of Beyonce. So this is the frontal. So I'm gonna proceed to making the wig. So what I have for my wig is my wig cap here, and I have some sewing threads for here. So these are thick, and my needles. And so I'm just going to start now. I'm gonna kind of, you know, fast forward through this because it's not the first time I'm showing how to make a wig on camera. If you're interested in seeing that, then I'll link some videos down below you can check out. So I'm just gonna jump into that right now. Started with just my frontal, 360 frontal.
Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love.
Yeah, girl. Who hot is the leg? Ah! They ready for this heat. Shoot. Come on. I gotta take it all back. Come on. I ain't cutting the lace off from the back. Are you serious? Are you kidding me?
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. 'Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go.
So I really feel like I'm going to go ahead and do something minimalistic, but like very glowy and just like subtle. I just want to look flawless because the hair is doing so much already to me. Like, it's so long, and then the color is, you know, I just feel like I'm gonna stick to natural makeup, and I mean that's my go-to. I feel like, I don't know, I love that. That's what I want. I don't want I don't want no dramatic, I don't want no dramatic look.
Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. But you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go.
Guys, I must be honest, this is the first time I've ever like done so much like for my birthday, and to be realistic, it's not that much. It's just that I had this look in mind and I decided to just go ahead and do it. If you guys are gonna ask about the crown is really heavy actually, but I have pins that are sticking there. It came with pins to stick it down in there, and so that's what's keeping it stable on my head. The hair is life. I love the way it took the color so easy, like so easy. Shout out to RPG Hair. I had it in mind months ago that I wanted long blonde curly hair, and I'm happy that I could do this. I'm really happy. Shout out to RPG. I'm definitely going to put the link to these bundles and frontal down below, so you guys can go ahead and get it and do it this look if you like, or just color it or wear it as is if you wish. Yeah, and I didn't cut any layers or anything. All the bundles are 26 inches as I mentioned before. The frontal is 24. If you guys are interested in getting a jacket like this, you can check out Fashion Nova. I'll put a link down below for you guys because I know I might get questions on that. I must say thanks for all the birthday wishes. I'm very grateful, like the support and everything. It's really amazing that you guys continue watching, continue supporting. For all the birthday wishes, I'm very grateful. I see you guys. And you also know that 2 months ago I announced that I was going to do a giveaway here, and my milestone was to hit 500k. I didn't hit my milestone, but we are growing nonetheless, and that's a blessing, and I'm so grateful. And I know I'll hit my milestone in time. And I must tell you guys, thanks to all the new subbies, all my OG divinities. Shout out to you guys. And I had promised you guys that I will be doing giveaways. So what I had said before was that if I didn't hit my milestone, I would only give away 1 prize, and then when I hit my milestone, I'll be giving away the other 2 prizes. I'm going to go ahead and put the winner of this giveaway in my description box. Her name is... Shout out to Yuhan. She won the LFW32P. It's definitely one of my go-to. All the specifications, I already mentioned it. So she won that gorgeous wig from RPG here. Along with her, there are 5 other winners. So it's not just one winner today. And I'm going to list all those winners. Each of those persons will get $60 off their purchase. If they decide to go ahead and purchase from rpghere.com, they'll get $60 discount off. So go ahead and check that out. I must thank you guys for being a part of this giveaway. 2019 started off a bit slow, but it ended up being a complete blessing. And even when things are slow, I still give thanks. That's me. I try my best to stay as humble as possible and grateful, even when I'm in a way, even when, you know, I don't know what the next move is. I try to stay humble and just focused and just keep it pushing. That's me. And even when things are there and I feel like, oh my gosh, wow, I still try my best to remain humble and just grateful. This doesn't mean I get comfortable. This means I work even harder, you know? And so that's what this year has been like. Coming down to the ending of the year, it's been so much, and I am just so grateful. It's been overwhelming, and like, wow, the year really flipped like in 2 seconds. And so I'm grateful, not just for that, not just for the opportunities, but also for my loved ones and for all my supporters, as I mentioned before. Thank you guys again. It's a blessing, and I hope that I'll continue to have your support going into 2020. Thank you. I know I've said thank you like a million times so far. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just stay tuned for whatever else I have coming. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my Vlogmas series going on. Tomorrow is Christmas. I must tell you guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. One big up on a nice clean self. It's very it's just I'm just so grateful, man. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, share it, comment, repost, everything. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye.